Hi dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Asima Dudley. Welcome to my another video on data analytics. In this video, we will discuss about predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics which is used to make predictions about future events. The predictive analytics uses many techniques from data mining, then modeling, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to analyze current data to make predictions about future. It uses a number of data mining and predictive modeling and analytical techniques to bring together the management information technology and modeling business process to make predictions about future. And the predictive analytic models capture relationships among many factors to assess risk with a particular set of conditions to assign a score or a weightage. And by successfully applying predictive analytics, the businesses can effectively interpret big data for their benefit. And the most important two typical examples where we apply predictive analytics are algorithmic trading and supply chain optimization. I have recently come across a documentary on Bill Gates Foundation intending to solve global issues. He has already spent a lot of billions of dollars in solving such problems, and he has done an attempt to eradicate polio from Nigeria, and there were many challenges, and one major challenge they faced was the lack of detailed mapping that would inform them which areas needed more attention. And there was a short supply of volunteer vaccinators too. Despite all the efforts, new cases of polio were popping up scarcely across different districts in the country. To solve the problem, they had to create detailed maps through satellite imagery and complex algorithms. Through data analytics, they were able to ascertain which parts of these districts were seeing new cases of polio and which areas needed more attention. And by saying about the future, the foundation analytics team used predictive analytics to figure out future outbreaks of polio, which helped them stay one step ahead. To be able to predict future outbreaks, the team had to analyze massive amount of data, including population change data and vaccination rate data, and they were amazingly accurate. And the calculations say that Nigeria went from 798 cases of polio in 2008 to only 21 cases by 2010. And about the case in India, by 2011, India became a polio-free country. And another documentary I came across is about a TED Talk in 2015 by the Microsoft co-founder. In his talk in 2015, he has predicted that an outbreak of a pandemic that is going to affect the whole world. He had cited lessons learned from the Ebola virus crisis that has affected West Africa in 2014, and about the Spanish flu of 1918. He has made a prediction that by 2019 the whole world is going to be affected by a pandemic, that is by a virus. And he at that time he states that uh, 10 million people will be killed in the next few decades by a microbe, and it is not by any missiles. And he stated that many countries worked for years to reduce the risk of nuclear war, and he mentioned that we have to give similar attention to a massive mobilization against a killer virus. And also he has predicted that by 2035 there won't be any poor country in the world. So coming back to predictive analytics, uh, some of the leading trends that are making their way to the forefront of business today are: first one, recommendation engines similar to those used in Netflix and Amazon that use past purchases and buying behavior to recommend new purchases. Second one, risk engines for a wide variety of business areas, including market and credit risk and portfolio risk. Third one is innovation engines for a new production innovation, drug discovery, and consumer and fashion trends to predict potential new product formulations and discoveries. Some more areas where we can apply the predictive analytics are: first one, the advertisement. Okay, for making the advertisement more effective, we have to get the information from the customers, that is according to their sentiment, behavior, emotions, etc. We can target some customers, so we can make the advertisement more effective. And another thing is getting potential uh, competitive strategies, that is global ബിസിനസ്സിനകത്ത് ഒരു competition, that is ഓരോ ബിസിനസ്സും വളർന്നു വരണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ there should be a competition. അപ്പോൾ when, where and how, എപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യണം, എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളതെല്ലാം പറയുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് predictive analytics help ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. Assignment questions are connected with this topic are: first question, what is predictive analytics? Second question, mention some areas where predictive analytics can be applied. So write the question and answers in your notebook and forward the pictures to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.